That's your gangster. Go ahead, turn it up, juice it up a little bit. Juice it up a little bit. See what you can do.
I'm doing it.
Oh shit.
Yeah, Nick.
Oh, okay. Okay. You lucky that nozzle on. That nozzle wasn't on, man. Corn laughing. He like, what the fuck? Get the ladder. Oh, he about to knock your horn off. You need that.
Let me get that horn.
Hey, let him get the horn.
I don't want to get wet. Let me help y'all real quick with that one. Hold on.
Fire hydrant challenge. Let's see if he gonna be able to withhold all this pressure. These PSIs is about to go up, 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 up. Watch this dude, y'all. Watch him. I'm about to set his ass. Oh my God. One down, one down, one down. Oh man.